Virginia Department of Health leaders are closing several COVID-19 community testing centers, one of them at Military Circle Mall in Norfolk. Allie Weatherton explains why.
Change is heading to the clinic at Military Circle Mall in Norfolk.
I don't think it's a good idea to close down the testing.
Virginia Department of Health leaders say they're ending COVID-19 testing at the clinic because there's no longer a high demand. That's a stark contrast from earlier in the year when people waited hours in line at the Military Circle Mall clinic.
I understand. If they're not getting the testing and they're not being busy like they wanted to, why stay here?
Instead of having a permanent location for COVID-19 testing like the Military Circle Mall Testing Center, the plan is to take the tests on the road to vulnerable communities.
A van will go out into the community across the eastern region to offer COVID-19 tests in a variety of locations and settings.
Right now, Virginia Department of Health leaders are still working on a schedule, but hope to start as early as next week.
It's able to go from place to place, from city to city throughout the eastern region. So one day it may be in the Eastern Shore area, and the next day it may be on the south side of the peninsula.
13 News Now also reached out to leaders running the Sherwood Testing Center in Newport News. They too are shutting down, but vaccinations will still be available at that site. In Norfolk, Allie Weatherton, 13 News Now.
COVID-19 testing is still available at several locations across Hampton Roads, including at local health departments, pharmacies, and doctors' offices.